I was honestly expecting Mozart AI to make the kind of music you'd use quietly in the background, not something that actually makes you stop and listen. So I decided to test it with a simple question. Can AI really create music that's good enough to use in a real project, or is it still just a cool demo? And some of the results were way more interesting than I expected. The first thing I wanted to avoid was judging it from one perfect generation. That's not how you'd actually use the tool. I gave it different ideas and paid attention to how well it handled different moods and styles. Because for creators, the real value isn't making one impressive track, it's being able to get usable music when you need it without spending half an hour searching through a library. That's where Mozart AI starts to make sense. You can use an idea as a starting point and experiment with the direction of the music instead of opening a blank DAW and trying to build everything yourself. For YouTube creators, freelancers, agencies, and even small businesses, that can be a pretty big time saver. Need something energetic for a product video, something more relaxed for a tutorial, a background track for a short? That's where AI generated music becomes genuinely useful. But here's the part I wouldn't ignore. AI generated music can sound impressive without actually being great music. Sometimes the opening is fantastic, and then the track loses its direction. Other times the melody works, but the arrangement feels repetitive. And if you're listening casually, you might miss those problems. Put the track underneath a 3-minute video and suddenly they're much easier to notice. That's why I judge Mozart AI differently from a normal music app. Don't ask, did it make a cool song? Ask, would I actually use this in something I'm publishing? That's a much higher standard. And if you're using AI music for commercial content, definitely check the licensing and usage terms before you publish. That's not the exciting part, but it's the part that can save you a headache later. So, can AI really make music this good? I'd say yes, it can get surprisingly close to something genuinely usable, but I wouldn't expect it to replace a talented composer for every project. Think of it more like having a creative assistant that can give you a strong starting point whenever you need music fast. And honestly, that's already pretty impressive. Now I'm curious, if AI could create the perfect soundtrack for your next video, what kind of music would you ask it to make? Comment below and tell me the genre you choose.